Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that I know a lot of you are interested in, how to make money online.
We're here to make money.
Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time online business, I've got some solid strategies for you. So let's get right into it. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money online.
What are you doing? Freelancing.
If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or even marketing, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com are perfect for finding gigs. The key is to focus on a specific skill, build your profile, and start small. As you build credibility, you can increase your rates and take on bigger projects. Pro tip: if you're just starting out, offer competitive prices to get those first reviews. It's all about gaining trust and building a portfolio. Next up is affiliate marketing.
Sales, marketing, sales.
This is where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You don't need to create products, handle customer service, or ship anything. You can promote products through your blog, YouTube channel, or even social media. Websites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate are great places to find affiliate products. Pro tip: choose products that align with your audience's needs and interests. Authenticity goes a long way in converting clicks into sales. Another fantastic way to make money online is by selling digital products.
Digital? Puh.
These could be ebooks, online courses, printable templates, or even stock photos if you're into photography. Once you create a digital product, it can generate passive income. Platforms like Etsy, Teachable, and Udemy make it easy to sell your creations online. Pro tip: focus on solving a problem. The more your product helps people, the more it'll sell. Let's talk about dropshipping.
God, e-commerce has come so far. What? You weren't thinking it.
With dropshipping, you can run an online store without holding inventory. You list products on your store, and when someone makes a purchase, a supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to set up an e-commerce store. Find trending products on sites like AliExpress, and you're good to go. Pro tip: focus on a niche, find reliable suppliers, and use tools like Oberlo or Deasers to automate the process. Finally, creating content through platforms like YouTube, blogging, or podcasting is a great way to earn online income over time.
Create, honey. Create.
While this might take some time to build up, the potential is huge. Once you grow an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise. Pro tip: be consistent with your content, focus on quality, and engage with your audience. The more you connect, the faster you'll grow. So those are my top 5 ways to make money online.
There you go.
Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.